Good morning, good morning, good morning. I started to go to my refrigerator for something for my face. When I say my face, I'm really talking about my eye gel. And then I thought about it and decided to splash my face with cold water instead. And it got me thinking about the things we purchase that we feel we need now, but probably never would have purchased in the past. Do I really need it? I want you to think about some of the things that you purchase, maybe in your house, in your home, that you've purchased because it's what's popular. And now you're trying to figure out, do I really need it? That's what this video is going to be about today. Not only was it triggered by my eye gel, but early this morning I was out to my laundry room and I heard a sound of a mail truck. So something was delivered to me this morning that I purchased. I've never used before. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what it is. And you can tell me if I really need it. That's what this video is going to be about. So let's get started with the video. This video is just to promote thought. This video is just to make you think about some of the things that we bring into our space that we might not need. Yeah. That we just might not need. Just trying to wet my throat. Which leads me to the first thing. I can remember some years ago when I said to a colleague of mine, oh no, I will not buy water. Water is free. I have water in my house. I have water outside. As a child, we would run around and play. And then we would just run to the hose, turn the spigot on, and drink water and keep on going. And I said I would never purchase water. And what do I do now? I ask my husband all the time to bring me these little bottles of water from Aldi's so that I can make sure I drink enough water. Do I really need to buy bottled water? Not only do I have water, running water in my home, I also have containers that I can fill that I've purchased in the past to make sure that I drink enough water in any given day. Do I really need to buy this bottled water? Yeah, something to make you think. This water. So that's the first thing. Then the second thing that I want to tell you about is this. Now, I want you to know that this is a lavender spray. And this spray is what I spray on my pillow. I spray it on my pillow because it makes the pillow smell nice. Second, it's supposed to promote sleep. Now, what I want you to know is I have no trouble sleeping. I am active enough during the day that when I lay my head on my pillow, when I'm ready to go to sleep, sleep comes to me easily. So why did I purchase this pillow spray? Not only did I purchase this one pillow spray, there's another one sitting right here because I brought this one out of my bedroom. This one is in my conversation room, and that's what I'm calling this place now, my conversation room. And then there's another bottle in the other bedroom. How much pillow spray do you need? And do you really need pillow spray? Well, I got bamboozled into buying this at TJ Maxx. On the way to the register, There's a whole aisle of things that you can see in TJ Maxx that'll get your attention. The pillow spray got my attention. Now, do I really need it? I think not. Okay. One of my favorite things is this exfoliating sponge. It exfoliates on one side and the other side is like a regular washcloth. All my life, I wash my body with a washcloth. But I ran into these where? TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. And I brought several of them. I do use them because I like the way they feel, and when I am bathing, I like the way it feels on me. Therefore, I asked the question, do I really need this? Do I really need it? I like it a lot, though. I like it a lot. One day, my sister gave us a gift. I think it was during one of those Dirty Santa games or something that we ended up with this. And it's called the popular Poo-Pourri. It's the Poo-Pourri. It's that air freshener that you can spray in your toilet before you go. And it works well. It works well. But before I did this video, I used my Febreze as well. Now, we've used the Febreze to see if it does the same thing. And guess what? It does. It does. Okay? This works well. But do I really need this? We don't like to run out of this. My husband will say, where'd you get that? And if he can't find it, he'll get the less expensive alternative at the dollar store. And it works just as well. Works just as well. Now, the last thing that I'm going to tell you about, I have not used it. Never used it before. I've heard rave reviews about it and that it's maybe one of the best things since sliced bread. A lot of people don't like the taste of apple cider vinegar. So then this became popular. Goli. Never tried Goli. When I saw Goli on sale, then I decided I need to try it. And I think this is 5 bottles that was delivered to me today. What is Goli supposed to do? From what I have heard, the Goli is going to give me more energy. Because you can tell I really need more energy, right? There are days, though, that I feel tired, but then I can attribute my tiredness to what I ate during that day. If I didn't eat what I really needed to be eating. Goli comes packaged real well. I just dropped one of the papers that was in there. Let's see what Goli says and if I can read it without my glasses. It says there's a lot of benefits. Let's check on the benefit. It is appetite control and weight control. So maybe I'll lose this little bit of weight that I never got rid of since my children were born. It lowers blood sugar levels. It improves the immune system. It's made with the mother, you know, the apple cider vinegar with the mother, that cloudy stuff in it is the best one for you. It contains highly nutritious acetic acids. It's infused with superfoods like pomegranate and beetroot. It's enriched with vitamins, B12. It's safe for tooth enamel. It says it has a good taste, a yummy smell, and it's easy to take, which it is being compared to the actual apple cider vinegar. So it's saying that apple cider vinegar is not infused with the superfoods. It is not enriched with vitamins. It is not safe for the tooth enamel. It does not taste good. Doesn't have a yummy smell. I agree with that. And it's not easy to take. And so that's why Goli is supposed to be a better product than the apple cider vinegar. It didn't say anything about helping with any stomach ailment. When I eat certain things, it bothers my stomach. When I see certain things, it bothers my stomach. And I was told that this would be good for that. I have created an apple cider concoction when my stomach was feeling kind of weird. So I'm hoping that this will be some help to me when it comes to that. The question is, with Goli apple cider vinegar gummies, do I really need it? Well, I have it. I'm going to take these. I am going to try it and see if it's something that I need. Hopefully, it's not like the potpourri. I don't really need it, but I continue to get it. Bottled water. Or my lavender pillow spray. Yeah. Do we really need all the things that we purchase and use? Or is it that it's just trending? Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Share this video, like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this video. I am a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers, but I especially love God because He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I thank Him for it. And I thank Him for you. Have a wonderful day.